How can I make a PayPal account? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to make a PayPal account. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is just go to PayPal, which is just paypal.com. And then from here, what you want to do now is just click on sign up right here. And then after that, it will ask you if you want to create a personal or business account. So feel free to choose which one you want to use. So for me, I'll just use a personal account. And then after that, it will ask you for your email. So just input your email there. And then after that, it will ask you for your phone number. So just input your phone number. And then after that, it will ask you to create a password. So just add the password. And then after that, it will ask you for your personal info. So just input your first name, middle name, and last name. And then it will ask you for additional info. So it will ask you for your nationality, your ID type, ID number, and date of birth. And then once you're done inputting these details, you will now be signed up in PayPal. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a PayPal account.